Hey guys, this is Vincent, and in this Lightroom Classic tutorial I'm going to show you the painter tool or the spray paint tool. In the last video we went over flagging or applying a star rating or color labeling our images in the library module. Another way to do it is using this painter tool right here, or the spray paint tool. So you just click on it, and what it allows you to do is just to drag the paintbrush or the spray paint across some of your images and then apply certain metadata, keywords, or even labels to your image. So for the example, I'm going to choose label here, and then I'll click green, and then I can just spray paint by dragging the paintbrush and left clicking on the mouse right here, and then I can select purple. I can go over it as well, over the previous color label. I can also apply a flag to it. I'll click this as flagged, and so forth. So it's pretty easy to use. Most of the time you would only use this if you have a lot of images that you need to apply different type of tags really quickly and so forth. But other than that, most people don't use the paintbrush or the spray paint tool, but it is there and it is an option. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram.